Good afternoon, everyone. Good morning, good evening, depending where you are watching me from. As a concerned Nigerian, I must express my sincere opinion in some of the vital problems facing the populace. For people to lose the just concluded election in real democracy, must they lose their properties in Lagos? Those that are supposed to talk are looking the other way and waiting for the problem to solve itself. Personally, I'm not against Governor Jide Sanwo-Olu developing Lagos, but demolishing Igbo assets under the pretext that the houses were either built without certificate of occupancy or built on sewage. If ex-governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, was issued fake certificate of occupancy, then tell me who will not be a victim? The land where the Igbo people erected their buildings, were they bought at gunpoint? Were they not permitted by the local authorities before they were built? Let us tell ourselves gospel truth for prosperity. If the government of Lagos State intends to develop the state, must it be random selection of Igbo properties instead of working to foster unity embedded in our God-given ethnic diversity? Our leaders are busy fanning embers of animosity against the spirit of "in brotherhood we stand," according to our national anthem. If you ignore history, it is bound to repeat itself. We must stand out to condemn the evil machination against these standards. Nigeria is the only democracy in the world where professors are hired to help in rigging, vote buying, and snatching of ballot boxes during election times. The same professors expel students that engages in exam malpractices. What an irony. Candidates continue to retrieve their mandate from the law courts, while INEC chairman Mahmood Yakubu going scot-free. As our legend Fela Nicola Puputi put it, driver commit traffic offense and the conductor was arrested and convicted instead. If INEC chairman is held to account for his stewardship without skullduggery and treacherous activities, I think the next INEC chairman will learn a big lesson. Spending a staggering sum of 300 billion in acquiring machine to perfect the election. The lateral chairman is telling us the machine malfunctioned. When number of votes were going up against the highest bidder, a section of the country popularly known to celebrate almost everything, but won the exalted office of the president and remained in silence. That tells you the murderer must leave a clue, no matter how smart. In the last election, awareness was in high gear as we witnessed vote buying, ballot box snatching, and those who threatened that if you are not for APC, better go home. Electoral materials were not distributed to areas suspected to vote against them. Incredibly, some notable outspoken Nigerians swore that the last election was free and fair. Who will bear the cat?